Welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City Equipment. Today, don't have a podcast or a lesson today. I'm going to give you some new news that will be coming about FM Corner that I'm excited about, and I hope you will be as well. As most of you know, I'll be retiring at the end of the month from Windy City, and I also will be retiring basically from the industry as well. And in some conversations with Josh Olin, CEO of Windy City Equipment, Josh spoke about continuing FM Corner, and I was excited to have that conversation. We've worked out a deal to do FM Corner starting in June. It'll be sponsored by Windy City Equipment, and we will do it twice a month. So instead of weekly, it will be twice a month. It will be all podcast. We won't be doing lessons anymore. We're going to do all podcasts. So we'll continue to have a new guest every week, or every other week, and it will view on Tuesday, the second Tuesday of the month, and the fourth Tuesday of the month. So twice a month, second Tuesday and fourth Tuesday of the month. We started FM Corner to do some lessons learned, opportunities, things that I did during my career, and then also sharing many conversations with other people in the industry of how they got to the role that they're in, and interesting information about them, which we hope provided beneficial for you, whether you are a facility manager, vendor, support, whatever, is to pass along some information or knowledge that we had learned during our career and pass that along to try to help someone else. So if you've listened to our episodes, every one, or just when you could, first, thank you. And then second of all, hope there's been something in some of those episodes that you went, that's interesting. Maybe I'll try that. Or I've struggled with that. Maybe there's an answer to my issue or to my problem. I hope so, because that's the very intent of what we're trying to do with FM Corner. So I'm excited. We will continue. It will be on the second and the fourth Tuesday of every month, and it will be all podcasts. So thank you again for listening. Thanks to Windy City for the opportunity to continue to present to you folks. And we will begin the second Tuesday in June with the new FM Corner sponsored by Windy City Equipment. Thank you so much for listening again, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.